today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So today I'm gonna show you how to create beat drops using a Captain America clip. So let's get started. You can use any song or clip you want, and this is how to see where the beat drops. So first go to your clip or song, right click, then go to keyframe assistant, convert audio to keyframes, then press U on your keyboard and select the last two, then go to your graph editor and you see your beat is here. So now all you have to do is put the markers on each beat. If this isn't clear because there is many spikes, you can export your audio and put it in a vocal remover, so we will see only the drums, and this will make it easier to find the beat. I'll put the link of a few vocal removers in the description down below. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.